How to add Steam gift card to PayPal. It is not possible to directly add a Steam gift card to PayPal. Steam gift cards are designed for use exclusively on the Steam platform to buy games, software, or other digital content. If you want cash instead of using the card, here are alternative methods to convert the value. Use trusted platforms like GameFlip, Raise, or Card Cash to sell your gift card. Once sold, transfer the cash to your bank account, which you can then link to PayPal. You can find someone willing to exchange PayPal funds for your Steam gift card on platforms like Reddit Gift Card Exchange or other trusted forums. Make sure to verify the legitimacy of the trade to avoid scams. If you're unable to exchange it, use the Steam gift card to purchase items for yourself or gifts for friends on Steam. Thanks for watching.